lightweight, convenient, and comfortable. It's all built into the design of the 7000 and 7800 series. And it's why Moldex's half-mask reusable respirators are some of the most streamlined available. With lightweight construction across multiple sizes, the 7000 and 7800 series feature an extra-wide sealing area for all-day comfort. They pair with Moldex's P100 filters and chemical cartridges for cooler and more comfortable breathing. And the low-profile, compact design allows for a wide field of vision, making it an ideal match for welding helmets and safety glasses. When it comes to maintenance, it's simple. Our face pieces are designed with fewer parts, resulting in less cost and easy maintenance. Your team will make short work of the cleaning process. When industry-leading P100 filters and chemical cartridges meet lightweight, streamlined face pieces, you have a reusable respirator that's as good as it gets. You owe it to yourself and to your team to give it a try. To learn more about our respirators and all of the other PPE we have to offer, visit Moldex.com. Moldex, ideas that wear well.